Hey guys, this is the Graffiti Word Pro app on Apple's iTunes store. It's currently #1 in lifestyle and it's only 99 cents to buy. It comes with over 240 words in graffiti, different styles, different effects, different colors. These go great over pictures, animated GIFs, videos, and of course in your iMessages. It's a very fun, creative way to get your message across. This is our version 2.0. The version 1.0 was denied because it has curse words, so we took those out. Now, if there's any words you want to make that are not within the Graffiti Word Pro app, you could look at the other apps within our store for the 5 different graffiti styles with individual letters, numbers, and effects. Now, without any further ado, let me give you a preview of what this Graffiti Word Pro app could do.